All right, this is a little bit different type of service call here. We put in a new system down here in the basement of, I tell you, I like this though. You walk right down in your garage here into this basement. But anyway, we put a new system in. Oh, Lord. So I'm over here at a friend of mine's house. There's my beautiful system I installed. And here's his 2 flashes and an alarm. And there's the valve that cuts off in the case of something. Now, I don't know what it is. Here's what it is, though. And I can see that valve there turned off. It should be going in parallel with the unit. Let's see if we can find out what them 2 flashes are. Well, anyway, here's our system that we installed. We just kind of transitioned back into all the existing ductwork and put them a filter down here, a whole house filter. And I don't know why these guys don't pipe over and then come put your P-trap over here. So I'm gonna have to go over that with them just to get it out from in front of the door. But that'll still open. It still won't be no problem. This door will still come right out of the way and you can work on it. But there's no sense having that piping in front of the door there. But yeah, there's nothing wrong here. We just tied back into all the existing ductwork, and I never have thought much of these panned-in returns. You know, they're not really sealed, and they got enough grills in the house and everything, and this is a bigger one that goes over to the hallway, but we went ahead and put a whole house filter down here so that they can depend on keeping the coil clean and the machine clean. But anyway, everything looks okay here. I think I need to go over this with the guys again and let them learn to pipe across here and then put their P-trap out of in front of the door. I don't guess that's ever going to be a problem. If we get problems, it's usually the blower or the board in the bottom, but either way, there's just no sense having this look like that. It'd be better if it came over here and all your trap and clean out and everything was over there, out from in front of the door. And we just transitioned in, you know, just with a 4-piece, you know, no big deal. But didn't want to redo all the ductwork in the house. It's kind of old and some of it's been replaced. And then some of it's still probably original, I'd guess. That looks like that old 80s gray-backed insulation that we use. Something's got to happen on this. This dadgum beeping's got to stop. I'm going to have to look it up, I guess. Where is Steve Lav when you need him? He's probably seen this, and I don't see the flash codes anywhere on this thing. Platinum Gladiator Performance, high-end, high dollar, blah, blah, blah. Download the app and get on Wi-Fi. Seems like they'd give you a flash code key here of some sort. Clear alarm. Well, that clears the alarm, but it says service needed. Oh, Lord. I'm not sure what, but somehow that's probably just some sort of timer in there you got to go fool with, because My thought was it was doing something on this relief, and there's nothing even hooked to it. So whoever put this in, they didn't even pipe the relief valve out. How about that? Looks like another little piping problem they're gonna have to come in here and fix is because of this makes a low spot here, and you can see by the brick line, this is running downhill. So this elbow over here is lower than that, 45, so they're gonna have to shorten this in the furnace and drop it down. Otherwise, that elbow right there is gonna fill up with water. May be able to just strap that up without having to fool with this over here, but let's call the customer and tell them what we found.